As the sun rises over the Italian countryside, we find ourselves above the
The Ferrari 296 GTB begins with aerospace-grade raw materials. Every shipment is digitally.
Computer-controlled machining delivers micron-level precision. Each billet becomes a structural chassis component.
Every component is measured to exact factory tolerances. Only flawless parts continue forward. Laser systems prepare every structural section. Precision cutting ensures perfect alignment. Laser-guided fixtures eliminate assembly errors. The Ferrari chassis begins taking shape. Robotic welding creates lightweight, high-strength joints. Every weld is controlled by advanced automation. Advanced inspection verifies structural integrity. No defect escapes Ferrari quality control.
Structural adhesives increase strength and stiffness. They also reduce overall vehicle weight.
Carbon fiber delivers exceptional strength with minimal weight. Every layer follows an exact engineering pattern. Multiple layers create lightweight structural panels. Resin bonds every fiber into a rigid composite. Heat and pressure transform soft layers into rigid components. This process maximizes strength and durability. Diamond tools shape every carbon panel perfectly. Precision trimming ensures seamless assembly. Every panel is scanned for absolute accuracy. Only approved components continue. Lightweight composites combine with aluminum engineering. The hybrid supercar structure is now complete. The Ferrari 296 GTB now gains its distinctive body structure. Next, the iconic supercar silhouette comes to life. The robotic arms lift the lightweight aluminum side panels, using laser projection systems to achieve millimeter-perfect alignment on the hybrid chassis. The roof structure completes the vehicle's safety cage. Every connection is aligned to exact factory specifications. Advanced structural adhesives increase strength without adding weight. This technology improves rigidity and crash performance.
Curing cycle is stable at 150 degrees.
The adhesive polymerization looks consistent across all sections.
Thousands of measurements confirm perfect body geometry. Only flawless structures move to the next stage. Lightweight aluminum fenders are installed with robotic precision. Laser alignment ensures perfect body symmetry. Every fastener is tightened to an exact torque value. Consistent panel gaps define Ferrari quality. The front hood is installed with sub-millimeter precision. Every movement is controlled by automated positioning. Precision adjustment guarantees effortless hood operation. Every latch is tested before approval. The rear engine cover protects Ferrari's hybrid powertrain. It is installed with the same precision as every body panel. Surface preparation is essential for a flawless paint finish. Robotic sanding creates a perfectly uniform surface. Electrocoating protects every hidden cavity from corrosion. The entire body receives a uniform protective layer.
Heat permanently cures the protective coating. The body is now ready for sealing.
Every seam is sealed against moisture and road contaminants. This improves long-term durability.
A perfectly clean surface is essential for flawless paint. Even microscopic dust must be removed.
Primer creates the ideal foundation for Ferrari's paint. It also improves paint adhesion and durability. Robotic vision systems scan the surface, ensuring millimeter precision before the final manual inspection under high-intensity lights. Ferrari's iconic Rosso Corsa finish is applied with robotic precision. Multiple paint layers create exceptional depth and brilliance. Controlled airflow allows the paint to stabilize. This prepares the surface for its protective finish.
The clear coat protects the paint from weather and scratches. It also creates Ferrari's signature mirror-like finish.
Controlled curing hardens the protective clear coat. The finish gains its long-lasting durability. Careful polishing creates Ferrari's iconic deep gloss. Every reflection is checked under precision lighting. The hybrid system combines a twin-turbo V6 with an electric motor. Every component is assembled with exceptional precision. This is the famous body marriage process. The hybrid powertrain becomes one with the chassis. Female technicians secure the powertrain with precision torque wrenches as robotic handlers connect the high-voltage systems, bringing the 296 GTB to life. The lithium-ion battery is carefully positioned within the chassis. It forms the heart of Ferrari's hybrid system. High-voltage connections are installed under strict safety procedures. Each connection is electronically verified. A dedicated cooling system controls battery and engine temperatures. Efficient thermal management is essential for peak performance. Every cooling circuit is pressure tested before operation. This guarantees long-term reliability. Lightweight aluminum suspension improves handling and responsiveness. Every bolt is tightened to precise factory specifications. The rear suspension balances comfort with track-ready performance. Precision alignment is critical for high-speed stability. Carbon ceramic brakes deliver exceptional stopping performance. The Ferrari 296 GTB is now entering its final assembly stages. The electric steering system delivers precise driver feedback. Every connection is checked before calibration. Electronic sensors constantly monitor steering position. They ensure accurate control at every speed. Forged alloy wheels reduce weight and improve performance. Each wheel is torqued with digital precision. The digital cockpit brings advanced technology to the driver. Every electrical connection is carefully verified. Luxury craftsmanship meets advanced engineering inside the cabin. Every interior detail reflects Ferrari's design philosophy. The windshield is bonded to improve structural rigidity. Precision sealing ensures long-term weather protection. The Ferrari 296 GTB comes alive as its electronics power on. Every system is tested before leaving the assembly line. Wheel alignment ensures maximum stability and handling. Every measurement meets Ferrari's exact specifications.
Every brake is tested under controlled conditions. Balanced braking is essential for high-performance driving.
The dynamometer simulates real driving conditions. It allows engineers to verify performance safely indoors.
The hybrid system is tested across multiple driving modes. Engine and electric power work together seamlessly. Software calibration optimizes every performance system. Each module communicates flawlessly before approval. Every seal is tested under simulated heavy rain. The cabin must remain completely watertight. The final evaluation takes place on Ferrari's private test track. Real driving confirms every system performs correctly.
Track testing validates Ferrari's performance standards. Every response is analyzed in real time.
Post-test inspections confirm flawless operation. Every system is reviewed one final time. Only fully approved vehicles earn Ferrari certification. Every inspection record is digitally archived. The finished Ferrari stands ready for its new owner. Every detail reflects decades of engineering excellence. The completed Ferrari begins its journey to customers worldwide. Every delivery represents Italian automotive excellence. From raw materials to a world-class hybrid supercar, every step demanded precision.